In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet Chat effectively. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a first-time user, understanding how to manage chat during a Google Meet session is essential for smooth communication and collaboration. To get started, familiarize yourself with the Google Meet interface. When you're in a meeting, take note of the bottom right section of your screen. Here, you'll find a few essential tools, including the lock icon or the host tools icon, depending on the latest Google updates. First, check out the lock icon or the host tools icon, usually located at the bottom right. This icon is crucial because it allows you to manage your meeting settings. If you're a host, clicking on this icon will provide you access to various host controls. It's worth noting that these tools are there to help you maintain order during your meeting. So, go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside the host tools menu, look for an option that says Host Management. This setting is incredibly important because it gives you control over who can join the chat as well as other hosting privileges. You'll need to toggle on the host management option. By enabling host management, you ensure that you, as the host, can effectively moderate the conversation. This feature can be especially useful if you're leading a large meeting and need to maintain a certain level of control over the discussion. Now that host management is activated, let's move on to accessing the chat feature. Right below, in line with host tools, you'll notice a chat icon. This icon looks like a small speech bubble and is your gateway to the text-based chat function within Google Meet. Clicking on the chat icon will open the chat panel on the right side of your screen. With the chat panel open, you're able to see all messages that participants send during the meeting. This function is invaluable for asking questions, sharing links, or participating in discussions without interrupting the speaker. However, remember to use it wisely. Keep messages relevant, clear, and concise to avoid cluttering the chat space. If you're hosting, you can also limit who can send messages through this chat feature, providing a structured avenue for communication that ensures everyone stays on topic. By properly managing these tools, you not only streamline your meeting, but also encourage productive dialogue among participants. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively use and manage Google Meet Chat. Remember, mastering these small but powerful tools can significantly enhance your virtual meetings, making interactions smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your Google Meet sessions.